Chapter 1. How's the weather?
Listen and practice.
Could we ask for better weather today?
Oh, yeah, it's gorgeous outside.
It really is. I think I might go for a run today.
It's a great day for it. Do you know any places to go for a walk nearby?
Central Park is the best place. I almost always go walking there.
Wow, what a nice choice.
Yeah, I think so.
Let's go to the park.
Chapter 2. My daily routine.
Listen and practice.
What's your daily routine, Sarah?
Well, I start my day with a cup of coffee, then I take a shower. After that, I start doing yoga for 20 minutes.
Sounds great, Sarah. Actually, I'm not a morning person, but I really love exercise in first part of a day.
I agree with you. It helps you to be fresh in your day.
I have a bad habit. I never eat breakfast at home. I wake up at 8 and eat chocolate cake with milk in my office.
Oh. You're so lazy, man.
Chapter 3. Ready to work.
Listen and practice.
What do you do, Nico?
I'm a stockbroker.
Wow, really? Where do you work for?
I work for a new stock market company in LA.
Great. How's your work?
My work is so challenging. And sometimes making decisions is really hard.
So, do you like your job?
Absolutely. I want to challenge myself and I love risking in my life. What about you?
Oh, unlike you, I'm not willing to do risky business.
Really? What's your job?
Since I can remember, I loved traveling. I have a travel agency. My passengers and I travel around the world and enjoy it.
Oh, nice. Traveling is interesting, but I never could be a traveler because I can't manage a team and I don't mind working on weekends.
Yes, you're right. Every job has its pros and cons.
Chapter 4. At college.
Listen and practice.
What's your field of study?
My major is math. I haven't finished my studies yet.
What year are you in?
I'm in the third year. I'm a junior. I've passed 70 units so far. What about you?
I have a Bachelor of Art.
Oh, really interesting.
Yeah, I love art. I am a graphic designer. I organized an art show last year. That was amazing.
Really? Sounds great. Can you show me some pictures of your designs?
Yeah, sure. Here you are.
Thanks. Oh, you've got it made. Keep going, man.
Thank you. Everyone keeps telling me.
Chapter 5. Future plans.
Listen and practice.
Hey Ken, what is your plan for 5 years from now?
Well, I have a long-term goal for the next 5 years.
Okay, what's that?
Doubling the company's sales.
Sounds interesting.
What about you, Anna? What are your primary goals?
This year I'm going to get stuck into my house renovation project. I must save money for that. This is my short-time goal.
Oh, very challenging.
Yeah, I think making goals helps us to stay motivated at work.
I agree with you.
I also have some personal goals for my health.
Really? What are those?
I have to lose my weight. I'm getting so fat. I've gained 10 pounds in the last year. From now on, I'm not going to eat at McDonald's, and I want to start gym quickly.
Yes, you're right. That's the best target for your body. It may take quite some time for you to reach your target weight. But if you are disciplined, you'll get there.
I hope so, thank you, Ken.
Chapter 6. Habits and Interests.
Listen and practice.
What sort of hobbies do you have?
When I have some spare time, I watch TV shows, listen to podcasts, etc. I always enjoyed painting and drawing.
Wow, so interesting.
What about you, Matthew?
My favorite activities are playing sport. I'm an outgoing person, I like hanging out with my friends.
Great, what sport do you play?
I play volleyball. I enjoy being physically active and join to team sport games.
Oh right, I enjoy watching sports sometimes, but I'm not a fanatic.
Do you like go out or being at home in your free time?
Most weekends, I spend time with my family.
So nice. Are you good at cooking?
Yes, I am. I love cooking. I try new recipes every day. What's your favorite dishes?
Chicken curry with rice and salad. It's one of my favorites.
So delicious.
Joanna, you must cook it for me.
Oh sure, that's my pleasure.
Chapter 6. Relationships.
Listen and practice.
Jack, have you found a girlfriend yet?
No, not yet.
What about Maria?
She has a boyfriend. No, they're still together.
How about that girl from your work you were telling me about last year?
Oh, Emily? She's married now. She got married last month.
I see. It seems like everyone our age is married.
Yeah, it's not easy.
Is there anyone you're interested in?
There is one girl I like who lives in my building. I talk to her a lot because she's also studying English.
What's she like?
She's really nice. She moved here from Texas about 3 months ago.
What does she do?
She's an accountant.
That's a good job. She must be really smart. Have you asked her out yet?
Actually, we're going to dinner on Friday.
Good luck, Jack.
Thank you.
Chapter 8. Pet.
Listen and practice.
Oh, this is your dog?
Yes, it's Rex.
Hello, Rex. What a cute dog. What type of dog is he?
He's a pug.
Oh, I should have guessed. He looks quite well behaved.
Actually, he never listens to me. If he wasn't on the leash, I'm sure he would run away.
Well, he seems friendly anyway. How long have you had him?
We got him when he was a puppy, so maybe 4 years ago. Pugs are quite small. They are a good size for the city.
Wow, that's great. I'd love to get a dog. We have a cat, but if I could, I would give it away.
Oh, why's that? Don't like cats?
It's not that, but I don't like my cat. It's so aggressive, always tries to bite me or attack me when I'm sleeping. Maybe it is part tiger.
I understand.
Chapter 9. Favorite food.
Listen and practice.
What is your favorite food, Claire?
A dish made from a fish head, cooked in a rich curry sauce.
That's great.
What about you? Do you like seafoods?
Actually, I don't like them. I'm a fan of lamb and beef meatballs. Arabic foods are my best.
Yeah, I agree with you. But I'm a big fan of Korean and Chinese foods.
I know one restaurant with many foreign and local foods. Do you want to go there?
Sure, let's try it out.
Hey, this is the menu. Which one do you prefer?
Wow, great. Let me see.
The frog legs with butter and garlic sauce? Sounds strange. Have you ever tried it?
Oh yes, I have eaten that when I was in Japan.
Did you like that?
Yes, I did. So delicious. Why don't you try some?
Oh no, I don't think. I'm a little scared of them.
Oh come on. They're just seafoods. What about appetizers?
I think I'll have broccoli salad for appetizer, and chicken roast with steamed corn and potatoes for main meal.
Okay, I have a sushi with snails and hot sauce, and for appetizer I have rice soup.
Congratulations! You learned to speak English.